First, what I'll do is I'll create the formula that we had for our HRA. The Oracle Payroll type of formula. I'll give it to US legislation. Now, as part of the formula, we were reading the value for the employee from the employee's basic salary. So for that, what we'll do is we'll go back to the employee and look at his basic salary element. So that element name we are going to use in our formula. Going to search for Curtis. So name of the element is regular wages. Is there an amount here? Where is that? Oh, the rate has been given. Okay, let's use this rate only. So this is the rate and we will multiply it with 50% of that, let's say. So when we are doing this formula, we'll have to look for the element, the database name. So this is regular wages. So we'll go and search for regular basis, the regular wages here. So we'll look for the, it's called the rate. So we'll have to look at okay. So this is the rate ASG entry value. And if you look carefully, it is a number type of, okay. So this is a number. So we'll add this to the formula. So default for is 0. Inputs percentage HRA equal to percentage into the same value divided by 100. Okay. So we can put a bracket here so that it will be understood properly. And then we will also put a message saying message equal to HRA calculated. Return HRA, comma, message. Okay. This we have done last week, so all of you are familiar with it. Submit. Let's compile it. So now this is completed. Next step is we'll create the element. And we'll create an element called HRA, which will have the percentage. SPHRA. Next is element eligibility. So this will be a direct result that will go into the pay value. This is the message. Information type of message. Save, submit. So the next step would be to assign it to the employee. So we are on this Curtis Fetty. So we'll assign the element to him. So let's assign it from 1st of the month. SPHRA. And percentage is what we'll mention here. Let's say 40%. And save and submit. Hello. Thank you. एक नंबर लिख लीजिए आप इधर बात कीजिए नंबर लिख लीजिए तो मैं आपको SMS कर देता हूँ ठीक है So now I have assigned the HRA, okay, to the person. If you see here, all his processes are done for February, for August. So which is the process? So what I will do is I'll run it for the next month. So I will go and submit, let's say, simplified quick pay. This. Okay. Now, instead of 16, I will run the one for 17 so that I don't have to roll it back. All the dates will change accordingly. All right. And then I hit submit. So whatever default elements are there, all of those will get processed. Let's go to actions, run results. Best place to see this is the run results. Look for the element, remove the primary only filter here. Now you see this was 40%. Okay. So system has calculated 40% of the total value. So what was this value? Let's go and check. Oh, we can check it here also. Uh, yeah, regular wages. So his total rate was, we are multiplying with the rate, right? 71,739, right? So if you look at the calculator, 71,739 into 40%, close to 29,000 is what you will be getting. What 40%? 28,690, 5,696. You see this? And our calculation. So it calculated 40% of that rate. So whatever rate we are putting there, based on that, it will do the calculation. Since this value was existing, I picked on that. It was, if it was an amount, it would have done 40% of the amount. Clear, everyone? Anyone got any question? Yes. Anyone? Okay.